Hello, my dear student. Today I am going to solve summative assessment of class 7 mathematics work number 2 individual work. Okay, individual work 2 number 1, we have to make the national flag of our country by maintaining exact ratio. Okay, question number 1, we have to make our national flag by maintaining exact ratio. Okay, question number 1, ratio of our national flag is 10:6. It means 10 length and 6 breadth. Okay, length 10 and 6 breadth. And radius of the red circle will be 2 unit. So 1 number question is done. You will draw a national flag whose length 10 unit, breadth 6 unit, and radius of the circle will be 2 unit. Okay, next move on. Question number 2. In question number 2, it is written what type of geometric shape we got from here. What type of geometric shape we got from here. Okay, there are two geometric shapes. One is rectangle and the other is circle. One is rectangle and the other is circle. Okay, I hope you get it. Question number 2. Question number 3, by detecting different shape, we have to figure out different part of the shape. Okay, we've got two shapes from our national flag. One is rectangle and the other is circle. This rectangle has length, breadth and diagonal, and already I have written that. And the another shape circle, and you know very well there are several segment or several part of circle. This part is called chord, and this middle line that go through the center is called diameter, and distance from center to circumference, this is called radius, and the outer curved distance is called circumference. And I hope everybody you get this. Very simple, very easy. You already learned this from previous class. Okay, let's jump question number 4. In question number 4, we have to find the area of the green part of our national flag. Area of the green part of our national flag. Okay, our national flag is a rectangular shape and length given 10 unit, breadth 6 unit. So area of flag rectangle shape, length multiply breadth, and which is 60 unit square. Area of circle. Okay, radius of the circle 2. Radius of the circle 2, and we know the formula of circle pi r square. This is the area formula of circle. So pi 2 square, that means 4 pi. So 4 pi is the area of the red circle inside the national flag. Now area of the green part. So 60 is the area of the whole flag, and this 4 pi area is the circle. So if you do subtraction the circle from the whole rectangle, you will get the area of the green part, and which is 60 minus 4 pi, that means 47.43 square unit. So 4 number complete. Now move on, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, if 1 and 1/4, if diameter increase 1 and 1/4 of our circle, what would be the length and breadth of our national flag? I repeat, if the diameter of the red circle increase 1 and 1/4 times, then what would be the length and breadth of the flag? Okay, radius of flag 2 unit, diameter 2 multiply 2, diameter will be double of the radius, 2 multiply 2, that is 4 unit. If diameter increase 1/4 times, then new diameter will be 4 multiply 1 and 1/4. That means after calculating 5 unit. So 5 unit is the latest diameter. Length of flag will be 10 multiply 5 by 4, that means 12.5. This 5 by 4 is a special technique or special rule to find out the length of our flag. So breadth of flag, it will be 6 multiply 5 by 4, that means 7.5. So if diameter increase 1 and 1/4 times, so length of the flag will be 12.5 and breadth of flag will be 7.5 unit. Okay, let's move on, number 6. In number 6, it is written, the diameter of your circle or of your flag and the diameter of another flag, and their ratio is 6:8. I repeat, diameter of your flag ratio the diameter of your flag and the diameter of another flag, their ratio 6.8. Then find the ratio of the area of the two circle. Diameter of the circle and the diameter of another circle, and their ratio 6:8, then find the ratio of the area of the two circle. Okay, in this case actually ratio is given, ratio 6:8. Okay, diameter of my flag I denoted by D1, which is 4 unit. Diameter of the new flag, that means another flag, denoted by D2, I consider this X. According to questions, ratio given, so D1 ratio D2 equals 6:8, and this ratio is given in the questions. So d1 equal 4, d2 I consider x, that means 4 ratio x equal 6 ratio 8. That implies ratio means division, 4 by x equals 6 by 8. After doing cross multiplication, we will get 4 multiply 8 over 6, that means 32 by 6, that means 16 by 3. So value of x, that means value of the diameter of the new flag, 16 by 3. This 16 by 3 is the diameter. So radius of new flag, it will be 16 by 3 divided by 2. If you divide diameter by 2, you will get the radius. So 16 by 3 divided by 2, that means 8 by 3. This 8 by 3 is the radius of the new flag. Radius of my flag. This 4 is the radius of my flag. So if you divide this 4 by 2, this 4 actually is the diameter of my flag. If you divide this 4 by 2, you will get the radius. Okay, 4 divided 2, that means 2. So this 2 is the radius of your flag. So we've got radius of the new flag 8 by 3, radius of our flag, that means of your flag 2. Now ratio of area of two flag. Ratio of area of two flag. We know area of circle pi r square. So in this case it will be pi r1 square ratio pi r2 square. This pi r1 square is the area of your flag, and this pi r2 square is the area of the new flag. So value of r1 2, value of r2 8 by 3. So 2 square pi ratio 8 by 3 whole square pi. 2 square means 4 and it will be 64 by 9. Ratio of the area of two flag, that means 4 pi ratio 64 by 9 pi. Okay, pi delete or vanish. 4 ratio 64 by 9. Multiplying the ratio by 9, I get 36 ratio 64. Now if you divide this two ratio by 4, you will get 4 9s are 36, 4 16s are 64. That means here will be 9, here will be 16 after dividing by 4. So 9 ratio 16 is the ratio of the area of your flag and the new flag. Okay, the last number, number 7. In number 7, it is written ratio of our national flag, length and breadth and length 3 ratio 5. Breadth ratio length 3 ratio 5. Suppose you don't know the breadth. You just consider the breadth unknown quantity and express length in term of breadth. Suppose breadth is unknown quantity and we have to express length in term of breadth. And if the area is 15 square unit, then we have to make flag by cutting paper. If the area 15 unit, then we have to make a model of flag by cutting paper, and we also we will have to find the length and the breadth. Okay. breadth is unknown quantity. This means I consider breadth x unit. So we know, and it is given in question number 7, breadth ratio length equal 3:5. I consider breadth x. So x ratio length equal 3:5. You replace ratio sign by division sign. X divided by length equal 3 divided by 5. Now do cross multiply. After doing cross multiply, we get length equal 5x by 3. So 5x by 3 is the length which is expressed by breadth in term of breadth. Again, area given 15 square unit, and we know length multiply breadth equal 15. 15 is the area. So value of length 5x by 3, and I consider breadth is x. So 5x by 3 multiply x equal 15. So 5x multiply x, 5x square by 3 equal 15. So x square it will be 9. So x square equal 9. So x equal root 9 or root over 9. That means x equal 3. Actually x is the breadth. So value of breadth 3. So length will be, replace the value of x by 3 and length is 5. So in question number 7, national flag length 5 unit, breadth 3 unit. Now I have drawn this national flag taking radius 5 unit, taking length 5 unit and breadth 3 unit. When length will be 5, breadth will be 3, that time radius of the inner circle will be 1 unit. So this national flag length 5, breadth 3 and radius 1. I hope disciple you get this. Okay, I am looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then you take care. But before, if you get benefit from this video, I hope you will subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up and share the video so that other students will be benefited. Thank you. Thank you very much.